Good evening. How are you guys doing? This is just a quickie, 2 minutes. Assure that you guys are looking at my Facebook, Sapphire Physician Coding, because I put a lot of updates on there, and I'm gonna start doing like show groups. Pretty much just giving you guys tips on there, and this is free. This is nothing but coaching. Even if you go on the website www.sapphirecoding.com, and then you go on the Teachable site, there's a coaching file there as well. But what I'm going to start doing on the Facebook is, what I've been doing, words for the day, words to look out for, some things you might see on the CPC, different things like that. I put 2 words up there today. So YouTubers, I want you to see those too, because that's something that you may have. Okay. So go to Facebook, Sapphire Physician Coding, and you'll see a lot of stuff there. And just scroll down. I put videos and everything on there constantly all the time. So that's all I came on to do. Don't forget to subscribe.